Command Zero is a platform that allows for autonomous and manual investigations. The platform provides a historical record of each investigation, where analysts can start a new investigation, work through prior works, or collaborate effortlessly with one another. Investigations can start from any number of locations, from a free-form investigation, starting with any of the supported lead types, to a broad-based hunt as well as alert ingestion. Command Zero allows for manually driven threat hunts within the platform. From the Hunting tab located in the console, you are presented with a list of available data sources for your organization. We can select a data source that is interesting to us or relevant to what we want to make inquiries against, and review the available questions. The curated content that Command Zero platform provides makes hunting for information far easier and seamless for analysts. Analysts can always expand on the description for additional context, including key points of interest to review in the results. Each integration comes with curated content, allowing analysts the ability to conduct further investigations needed for knowledge of any underlying languages, schema, access methods, while helping to accelerate the investigative process. Reviewing the information, we're able to promote any number of leads to our investigation and continue working through over a variety of different data sources and integrations. Let's explore an investigation. The tree view of the investigation allows for a path of record. It also facilitates other analysts who are joining the investigation through escalation or otherwise to rapidly get up to speed on what is or has happened. When looking at integrations, each integration comes with a curated content set, allowing analysts the ability to conduct investigations without the need for knowledge of any underlying query languages or schema. This helps to accelerate not only the investigation times, but also the analyst. Analysts can select one or more questions that best fit the investigative goals, while the platform also allows for a greater level of consistency in their investigations through what is called facets. When applied, facets draw a path of focus as well as automatically execute the questions recommended as part of that investigation. As questions are asked, analysts can review all of the data returned and interpret those results using one of several views. The first is the detail view, where information is highlighted and presented as the records returned. Next is the table view for larger sets of data, which allow a more traditional analyst approach, working through the information very much the same as you would in the detailed view, but allowing a greater granularity of applying filters as well as sorting the data. Analysts can always view the raw JSON data returned from any one of the underlying API calls, as well as review organizational notes and tags for each and every question. Tags can also be expanded, added, and there's a curated set that comes from Command Zero. As questions are asked and answered, analysts are also able to generate and review a summary. This produces a consistent reporting mechanism, complete with the executive summary, the analysis, as well as any observations derived from the artifacts. This empowers analysts to not only interpret the data, but perhaps interpret that data from a source they are not familiar with, yet again, accelerating the analyst's ability to perform underlying investigations. As the investigation unfolds, analysts can add content to the timeline. As content is added to the timeline, the analyst is building up this view of what that investigation entails. Each one of the questions, along with the artifacts, are placed in that timeline. And finally, they can export this to PDF, generating a full report for what that investigation entailed. The exported PDF comes equipped with the timeline, as well as each of the questions, the summary, the observations, and additional leads for each one of those. Investigations can also originate from an organization's existing security alerts. Navigate to the Alert Manager, the Command Zero platform. Here, investigations can be run autonomously. The Alert Manager allows organizations to ingest and start investigations from alerts provided by their existing security products. Analysts can import alerts from any number of the configured integrations, review any of the alert metadata, and select an alert for investigation. Here, Command Zero will extract the leads and also the metadata as well as the time ranges of the alerts, allowing for an investigation to start. Analysts can also toggle the automatically run questions feature towards the bottom of the investigation start. When clicking Start New Investigation, Command Zero is going to leverage context derived from the alert itself in conjunction with a fully trained LLM and several other semantic methods. Command Zero then extracts all these leads and automatically starts the investigation based on the questions derived from not only the LLM, but the other semantic methods. Combining the context of the alert with the curated question set and the organization's data sources, Command Zero automatically executes a series of questions for analysts to have a starting point. Taking the artifacts returned from these questions, Command Zero also will create a verdict, impact assessment, and a far more detailed summary of the alert for analysts to review in the overview panel.